Did you know that our iguanas have a parietal or third eye on the top of their heads that is sensitive to light and movement, helping them detect predators from above? Also, some iguanas, like the green iguana, can change their skin color to absorb more heat or to reflect their mood, like happy, sad, angry, or more. Also, though they are not as adept as changing color, like chameleons. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw an iguana. Start by drawing the circle right here as a guide for the front portion of the body. Make sure you have to draw gently or it will be hard to erase after this video. Or if the circle is hard to draw, use anything that has a circular edge. After that, let's draw another circle right here. Don't put the circle very far away from the other circle, or else its body portion will become long. After that, add this circle right here. And now after that, add a vertical and horizontal line in the circle to add some facial features later. After that, add this curve, right? Or add this diagonal line here. Then add a curve here. And as the part for the underbelly, then add a curve. Then go down. After that, add this line right here. And after that, have this part right here. Then after that, add this curve right here. Then draw like this line right here. And now, for the second leg, add this diagonal line. Then go down. Then add this horizontal line here. Then add this diagonal line. Then go right there. Then after that, add like this tail. Then add this curve. Then add this tiny circle as a guide for the highlight, and then add this oval-like shape for the pupil. Shade in the iris, but don't overlap the highlight. Also shade in the outside parts of the eye too. Then after that, add some few details at the underside and the upper side of the iguana. And now after that, for the head, add 2 spikes right here, then go there. This animal that we're drawing is a green iguana. So after that, draw some spikes here. Then after that, add this curve, then add another curve right here, then right there, add a curve, then add this part, and after that, for the other legs, add this part, then go right there, and then add this part right here, then go there, and then right there, then go up. And now after that, let's add some triangles or spikes or whatever you can call it around the tail and the whole body. And now let's erase some guidelines. Why? Because they're just guides. They're helping you to draw. Also, redraw the ones that are accidentally erased after that or afterwards. Okay. Now after that, guys, let's shade in. Firstly, do the ones that are easier for you. Like, for example, right there in the underbelly. and this part or whatever it is. If you know what this thing right here that is, let me know in the comments. Okay, now after that, for the final shading, shade this part. So what is it that we're missing? Nice. Let's add a cast shadow underneath so that it doesn't appear to be floating. And keep doing the cast shadow until you're happy with the result. Okay, and now for the final cast shadow, let's do this part right here. And that's it for the iguana. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my animal videos. And tune in next time, and I'll see you later in the next video.